Welcome back to the channel. And when have you ever noticed my car to be this fucking dirty? To where black looks white, besides wintertime with all the fucking salt. Yeah, my shit dirty as fuck. My car's so goddamn dirty. I took my mom to the store today and she said, "Damn, boy, your car dirty as fuck. I can't even remember when the last time your car was this dirty." Cause ever since I started driving, well, I'm not gonna say since I started driving, because I started driving when I was 12 years old. Yeah. I was hustling at 12 years old. I started driving at 12 years old, but ever since I had my first car at, what age did I get my first car? I don't know, I was still young as hell. I don't think I was old enough to have a driver's license. But anyways, ever since I had my first car, my shit always been clean. But we could thank the GDs, cause ever since they let the GDs in the fucking door, it's been fucking raining. Yeah. My shit so dirty, my rims look brown. You see? That's how dirty my shit is. I'm gonna need a hand wash after. When I do go to the car wash, I'm gonna need a fucking hand wash. Ain't no automatic, ain't no monthly pass at the car wash gonna get this shit off. Cause I'm gonna be wiping and wiping and wiping and smearing and wiping and smearing. Nah, I'm gonna have to go to a hand wash. And I'm gonna have to go early. Cause you know when the weather get back good to get your car washed, you know everybody and their mama gonna flood the hand wash. So I'm probably gonna be looking out at the weather. Probably go get up early, you know, go early before class. Get a hand wash. Probably get my inside done too, so just probably go ahead and pay like the $26 and get my whole shit done. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do.